Hello everyone, let's dive into this month's offers. To start, we have the Radiant Beauty PV promotion featuring a skin-loving essential. Place any single order of 200 PV or more between the 1st and the 30th of June 2024 and receive dōTERRA Salubelle for free. To learn more about this beautifying oil, visit shop.doterra.com. Next up, we have some very exciting limited time offers. The first is our post-convention kit, packed with exclusives just recently unveiled at Bloom Convention, including the brand new dōTERRA PB Restore, PB Assist Plus, and immersive Shinrin Yoku blend. Now, I'm excited to announce some luxurious skincare must-haves, both available for individual purchase but only while limited supplies last in June. dōTERRA Rose Hydrosol Mist offers numerous uses, from fragrance to toner and hydration, while dōTERRA Moringa Rose is highly nourishing, combining the floral scent of rose with the sweet scent of moringa for a lightweight, nutrient-rich face oil. For those considering joining dōTERRA, now is the perfect time with our Say Hello This Summer enrollee promotion. New qualifying members can enjoy 100 free product points. And for the full details, FAQs, rules and terms, click the link in the description below. This month's 10% off item is Citronella, the ideal companion for adventure and available with a 10% discount. And lastly, for our lucky members on the Loyalty Rewards program, also known as LRP, the free product of the month is the limited time offer Island Mint 5 ml. Receive it for free with any first single 125 PV or more loyalty order, LRP, processed by the 15th of June. That's it for now with everything you need for an incredible summer.